with our inverter with less inverter. Uh,
All right.
right. For example, if you're using a 350 with us and 350 with others, if we can if we can power, more than 10% compared to the other one, that means you can use 10% less equipment, and that's 10% less labor probably, right?
Yeah.
And later the O&M costs related to it.
With the others, you would have to oversize the panels and then with racks and wires, everything goes with that and labor.
Yeah, it's a whole system. It's not only the inverter saving.
That adds up 10% more investment.
Yeah, and that's a lot
Yeah.
for a utility project because the size
Sure.
is more sizable for it.
And that changes your ROI from 10% to 12% or 11%. That's a big difference. Yeah.
Yep, and for the 250, 600 volt, this is our new inverter we have it available ever since this year, and it's a little bit different design. It's a single stage, so this is a single MPPT inverter at 600 volts. It's probably the largest power at 600 volts. I mean, in terms of string inverter now available in the US, and I'm showing here two very interesting pictures. We can put this 250, 600 volt inverter on a integrated skid like this, together with a switchboard and a medium voltage transformer. So this is kind of like a virtual central design, which can combine the benefit of string and in a central layout. So for some project, the customer would prefer this way of layout because some of the project they are using, let's say chambas or like a BOA harness, even the conventional DC combiner, to allow the EPC to pull the larger cable from the PV array directly to the skid instead of having to run multiple or large number of string cables. So save a lot, maybe in the cabling, and also easier for installation because it's from the inverter to the transformer, it's all pre-wired and pre-installed. So this is just
switch it in, and that's it. Yeah. What's the size? Is that
you need a DC and the AC, and that's it.
40-foot kind of?
This is about 37. This example they're using here. Yeah. It's a 3 megawatt block. Yeah. We have a life size of this example in our Dallas headquarters. So we show this in our innovation week this year. Got a lot of good feedback on that and good interest in this.
Really simple ideas implemented well makes a huge difference from a customer satisfaction and ease of use point of view. And sounds like you guys are doing a good job at that.
Yeah, I guess the most important is customer feedback, right? We hear we've been doing project for years, and we hear customers' voice. Why didn't you guys do this? And also, we have our own team, keeping us up in the market, for the technology that we are selling or that we're working on, to make sure that we are competitive enough over time. So we have product strategy team, looking at really 5-year, 10-year out to see what's going on and what we can do. So this is just a start. We have, more exciting projects and products coming, and our ESS platform here comes to, energy storage. Really, you can't separate PV from energy storage because nowadays a lot of projects have both of them co-located, even from, residential, right? Now you have residential PV and energy storage, CNI, and utility. So a lot of different use case and applications, for both of them.
Do you guys go down to the resi level as well in the US market?
We don't, but we do have single phase products, which, typically are being used in small CNI buildings. So we have the 5 megawatt hour power block power together with a 2 or 2.4 string, inverter skid. So this is a pair of product. And we have CNI too. This is an old generation 125, 279 or 250, 558. And the new generation is what we call a Gonzo energy storage. It's an all-in-one design. So we have 62.5 or 125 kilowatt or 261 kilowatt hours. So we have, I guess, 2-hour and 4-hour options for it.
And then the single phase size is what generally?
We have from 7.6 to 12. kilowatts for hybrid
Got it.
fluids. And we offer the battery as well. So the battery is stackable. A rack can give you like a 20 kilowatt hour.